To apply Lucidato, you'll need the plaster, a Venetian trowel, spatulas, clean rags, and water. Start by sanding your dry primer base. This is important for Lucidato. Apply the first coat in even patches across the surface and allow it to dry fully before moving on. Apply the second coat in patches over the dried first coat. This is where you start creating the pattern and character of the surface. Patch in, fill any gaps, and allow this coat to dry fully before applying the third coat. The third coat is the most important. Apply Lucidato in patches, fill any gaps, and smooth the surface. Work quickly. You need to catch the plaster while it's still damp to begin burnishing. Over a wall, the process is apply, drop back, and burnish. Apply, drop back, and burnish. Before burnishing, check your trowel is clean with no scratches or nicks on the blade edge. Burnish the damp plaster with your trowel held at an angle. This gives the surface hardness and creates that characteristic marble shine. Apply firm pressure initially, easing off as the plaster dries. You're looking for a glossy shine when looking directly at the face of the wall, not just down the angle of it. When you can see that shine face on, you know you have a finished surface. Keep burnishing until the plaster is fully dry. It's the steel on the marble that makes it shine. Once fully dry, ideally 24 hours later, apply your wax to a damp sponge and work it into the surface in circular motions. Go back over with a dry sponge to remove any excess and even out the finish. Finally, buff with a clean dry cloth to bring up the wax and the wall is complete. Top tips for a great Lucidato finish. Keep your trowel clean at all times. Don't over-burnish if the plaster is very damp. Timing is everything. Keep your method of application consistent across the whole wall. Burnish all areas equally for an even shine. Get the timing right and the finish will look incredible.